Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the yen index and yen pairs and yen trades. So let's get started. This is the chart I made, as you can see, on the 17th January, saying that this thing, yen index 20-minute chart, is going to drop here and all yen pairs will be diving. And that's what happened. It came down exactly at 53.38 before bouncing. Let me show you the chart, and all the pairs, all yen pairs came down, and I had almost like 8 to 10 trades between all yen pairs, Aussie yen, pound yen, euro yen. All yen is always on the right hand side, so all these with all the currencies, all the yen pairs went down. And to this chart, this is what happened. It came down all the way straight to 53.38. Then I said, and I made this chart on February 3rd, yesterday, right? Today is 4th, so it's 10:50 p.m. right now in Miami. So here, on the 3rd, I made the chart that it's gonna bounce from here, even though it has no sign here bouncing, right? It was a red candle going down. But I said, no, this is 53.38. It's gonna stop it, and then we will go up for wave B. And doing so, all yen pairs will be going up. So what really happened to this chart so far is this. It started to bounce from here, and only this much bounced, and look what happened in the pairs. This is the first trade, pound yen, on the 4th, right? This was an entry here, then the second entry, then the third. It gave a lot of entries, but my entry was right there, right? And I'm just showing you that how many more entries, how many opportunities you get with this system, with this, first my analysis telling you that this was going to happen. And then when that start to happen, really you will see a lot of entries, a lot of chances to get into the market and get profitable quickly. Anyway, so this is the first trade. This pound yen. Here's euro yen. This is my entry, and then it gave another entry, and then all the way up on the February 4th. Third trade is Aussie yen. Again, it start to go and then bullish, boom, and then this is my entry. Here it goes 60 pip from here to here on the 4th, and then you can also see that my entries are here. This yellow sign is where you see this buy order, and my SL move to break even, right? So that's those are all of the charts I'm showing is a live trade. Before I close, I record the chart. And then the 4th trade is this New Zealand yen. As I said, all yen pair will be going up, and they all did, right? And the February 4th, this is a beautiful entry. It becomes bullish. That's the idea. It goes the other side of the red line, give you the entry. Entry is yellow is above the black and the red, and this indicates all the way down. Red candle turned into blue candles, which is bullish, right? And then I open the trade, and SL is right behind the low, and then after that, when a little bit in profit, you bring the SL to break even and ride the trade for free. And this is how these 4 yen pairs, just based on this yen chart. And then not only that, I mean, if you look at it, for example, here USD yen, right? It went up too, but but the problem is that it never gave me any entry here. Similarly, I think it was like a franc yen and all of those yen. Any yen pair, you will see that all of them went up. I just happen to caught these 4 trade. Okay, just to show you guys that this is the system. This is how you plan. You just look at the index. You plan that this is what's going to happen, and when that start to happen, you jump into the market. Simple as that. Using exact system and follow the rules, and that's what's gonna happen to you, right? Simple as that. So all of these nice trades, and besides that, I had a couple of more trades like Euro Aussie, and it went down, right? Beautiful short entry. Just the opposite. Look at the setup. It comes down here. It went there, down move. It goes into the wave. Blue candle turns into red. Yellow is below the black line, and both are below the red line. Nice short setup. This indicates all the way up. I forgot to mark here yellow, right? And then it went down. Similarly, if you look, it's just the opposite. Is the USD CAD is going up, because US CAD is on the right hand side, was weak, and look here. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. All of these are entry. and it went up. So this is it for now. Like I said, and yen index, I believe that it has more to go, more to come to the upside. Okay, so it's gonna go more to the upside, and all yen pair will have a chance to go more to the upside tonight, hopefully. But it doesn't really matter. Wherever it goes, we find it, our system, in the entries. If it's not going to the upside, we're not gonna see long setups, right? And if it is turning to the downside, then we will see short setups, and we will take them, no problem. All right, so this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, you can go on my website right here and subscribe here, and you can see all of those previous trades are posted here. You can study. This is on the 3rd. Yesterday when the market opens up, look, pound Aussie 7-minute chart, 200 pip to the downside. All pound pair went down, right, because of pound weakness. And but I was busy in doing something else, so I only caught this one pair. And but pound Newsy, pound CAD, pound US, they all went down yesterday, big time. But this is the only one I caught. And then today, yen pairs, my concentration was on the yen. So I got this New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, Euro. And then last week, look at the last week trades here, all over the place, all of these. 31st, 31st, 31st. Look at these big trades, 130 pip trade on the 31st. This is on the 30th. Aussie USD, New Zealand USD, Aussie yen. All together was like 28 trades last week. They are here, and week after week after week, every single week trades are posted here. You can see with the order still alive, and SL moved to break even plus. And before I close the trade, I always, and every single trade you will see by the book and by the system, by the setup. Look at this trade, short here. It's just similar to this, and it is similar to this. They went short, and this is very similar to this. Right, indicates all the way up here, indicate all the way up here, indicate all the way up here. Red, blue candle turned to red. So, and this is again this here. You see this. This is the one I took. Then you have an entry here, beautiful entry here, beautiful entry here. Similarly, this pair, I took this one, but then you had another entry there. Look at this one, 75 pip from starting from here, but you had an entry here, 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 here. So many entries. Right. So this is the beauty about this system, that it gives you so many entries. All right. So I'm not gonna take your time, more of your time, and then just you can come here and then use this yellow button to subscribe, get the chart, get the systems, set up the charts, and start trading like this. All right. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful trading week.